Please tell me, what can I do to spice up my makeup routine?
And we are back with the part 2. If you want to see how we got here, go to part 1. So, the eyes. As I said, try a different eye shape. I take a little bit of brownish shadow and I blend everything in. I really like this look because it's easy. It's a quick. And it might give you a different kind of vibe since you're looking for a different kind of vibe. I also do this, but skip it if you don't want it. It is just ma preference, okay? Now for the lashes. I have super small lashes. I use this mascara. Of course, you can use a mascara that really works for you. But I use falsies since I have no lashes. If you have lashes, do the mascara and skip the falsies. Or you can just split your eyelash in half and do a half lash look. That looks a little bit more natural, you know. Also today I tried out this pore filler. It worked like magic. Setting powder I sometimes skip. It can make me look kind of cakey. But if I use it, I use this one. This is the Givenchy Prisme Libre. I pronounced that really wrong. But it has kind of 4 pastel shades. And I just dab it a little bit with the Beauty Blender and go into any shiny places. I like this a lot more than baking. Because baking sometimes makes you look like a pastry. Like a little cake. With the lips, it also depends on what you like. I usually line them with the nudish brownish Situation. Dab it a little bit with your finger. And you can wear a matte like this. I personally prefer it with gloss. The finishing touch is just some highlighter right here. And this is how it looks in the end. It is not super aggressive. It's makeup-y. And it's kind of snatched and camera ready. I hope you like this. If you don't, please don't bully me. Hope this helps, bestie.